Hello everyone, today we are going to see this abacus. Already we have seen the golf and maths tool, that is for the age group of 3 to 5 years. That is, this is above 5 years. I am going to teach you how to do this abacus. Okay, if you want the books, this has got 2 books and the abacus. Please message me. I will make arrangements to get the same, because this abacus you will get everywhere. If you got the books also, you can buy it from outside. Otherwise, you can message me. Okay. So, this abacus is within the frame, rectangular frame with the beads. In the center got one rod. This is very most important. When a bead touches the center rod, only it has the value. If it didn't touch the center rod, it has no value, that is 0. So, the center rod is most important. So, above the rod got 1 bead, below the rod got 4 beads. Okay, the above the rod is 1, this bead has a value of 5, each 5, 5. If it is here, 5, 5. If you bring it down, when it touches the center rod only it has the value, otherwise it is 0. Okay, the same way the beads below the rod touches that is you have to push it up. So, then only it has a value. You have to bring it down. So, for this only we are using these 2 fingers. That is thumb finger and index finger of the right hand. Okay, always you have to use the abacus. Keep it flat on the ground, flat surface. Otherwise, it will move. So, the beads will change the position. The value, the answer will change. So, you won't get the correct answer. That is the main thing. So, you have to hold it in the left hand, in the left hand side. Hold it tight. You have to, these 2 fingers you have to use. This, hold the center rod, not very tight, little loose. That is, you can move the hand towards right to left. So, if the beads are beginning like this way, you have to clear the abacus. That is, clear means the center rod should be clear. No bead should touch the center rod. So, in that way you have to clear. That is, when you do this, the upper bead will go upper, the lower bead will go down. Okay. So, this is clear the abacus. So, each and every time when you are doing the sum, first you have to clear and keep it with 0. This is 0. Then how will you use this? So, now I will show you. Always you have to keep the pencil like this way. Keep the pencil like this way. Fold the fingers and only these 2 fingers will be out. Okay. So, you have to clear the abacus. Now, that is, you have to move up. This is easy way to push it up. So, add 1. So, if it touches the rod, it is add. Add 1. 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 Okay. So, when it touches the rod, add. So, minus means what? Less. Instead of minus, you have to write less. You have to, this is easy. Instead of doing this with the thumb finger, it is easy to use the index finger. Less 1, less 1, less 1, easy way. Less 1, 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 less 1. So, 1 bead means 1. If you move 2 beads towards the center rod, how many beads? 2 beads. So, this is 1, 1. 1 plus 1, this is 2. 2. Add 2, add 2, add 2. add 2, 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 add 2. So you have to remove the beads, that is you have to minus. Instead of that you have to tell less. Less 2, 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 less 2. If you push 3 beads up, so it is 3 because each carries 1, 1, 1. The below beads each carries 1, 1 value. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. 3, add 3, add 3, add 3, add 3. When it touches the center rod, it has the value, otherwise no value. So it add 3, add 3, add 3, add 3, add 3. So minus means you have to use the index finger. This is most important. Then only you can do it fast. Less 3, 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 less 3. Next, if you move 4 beads towards the center rod, 4. That is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So each carries 1, 1. So 4. Add 4, 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 add 4. Next, less means less 4, index finger. So to add you have to use the thumb finger. For less you have to use the index finger. Less 4, 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 less 4. Okay, this is the first one. Then what about this bead? That we will see in the next video. Okay, bye.